Welcome back to Ramjet Bros. Please like and subscribe. Today, I want to teach you how to make a simple tartlet. These little tartlets, you can fill with anything, lemon meringue filling, you can fill with milk tart filling, you can fill with custard filling, whatever you like. These can be made ahead of time, they're about a week or so, and then you can always just fill it whenever you're ready. They're very quick and very simple. The only process, the longest part, is actually keep it in the fridge for about an hour before you bake it. Else, if you bake it straight away, it shrinks and you won't get that nice casing with lots of fillings. And there you have it, a simple tartlet. You can use it anytime, keep it for up to a week or so to just do the filling. So don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell button to see when our next video coming up. So tomorrow we possibly might be doing the lemon meringue filling, so keep updated.